Reality check.
For years, WGNM has been a resource for churches to help them achieve their outreach goals. Pastors frequently comment on the response they get from people watching our programming. With all that we do to advance the kingdom, there are even more opportunities available to us. The Lord has already blessed us with a facility that can house a state-of-the-art production studio. Our next step is to air condition the space. Once that's completed, we can start producing more programs that will put the gospel into every home. If you would like to help with this project, please let us know by writing to the address on the screen or making a donation through WGNM.com and clicking on the contributions button. Thank you in advance for your support.